What's up, RC fam? Okay, as a lot of you know, I don't advertise my channel as a RC channel. This is CK Hobby Shop. So I was at the craft store buying some paints for the Goblin Head on the Maximum Overdrive build, and I seen this Christine's a.m.t 125 plastic model kit, and I just had to get it. I love Christine, man. So I thought I would do a little box opening here, and let's see what's inside the box. Curious myself. Haven't opened it up yet. Alright, first of all, I see some nice chrome plated parts. Wow, look at the grill. That's really nice. This looks like the back part of the back. Oh, that's the back bumper, actually. Some nice hubcaps, tail lights. Very cool. Very cool. Rubber tires. Very nice. The glass. Windshield. Side windows. Back window. Some lights. Some tail lights. Oh, nice. It's in red. Very cool. Very nice. I like that it's in red. Oh, I'm going to have to paint some engine parts. Let's see. Hood is red. The deck lid. Alright. Very cool. Oh, I see some white parts in there. I don't know what that's for. All the interior is red. I'm going to have to do some painting on this. Well, it does come with some stickers. Let's see if we can get that open. I'll take a look at the stickers. I love stickers. I love decals when they come on a model. Let's see what they are. Oh, that's cool. Very cool stickers. I don't think the flames are necessary. Darnell's tonight. Scratched in the hood. Arnie is mine. Pledging my love. I like the license plates. Very neat. Very cool. Alright. This is going to be a fun build. I don't think I'm going to RC it. It's just a plastic model. But, very cool. Very nice. Look at the fins. Look at those fins on the back of that body. Let's open it up. Get a better look at it. Look at those fins. That's nice. The front, side view. Okay, very cool, very cool. Alright, let's start building. Alright, people. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.